Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to generate Slack webhook URL to send Slack alerts. First, what you want to do is create a channel name or any channel that you want to name. So I'm just gonna name this alerts. You can name it anything that you want. Then just gonna go through this. I'm just gonna skip this for now. But once you're done with that, click on the Add Apps, which can be seen here below. So Add Apps, then click on the app directory. It will lead you to a new page. And once you're here, click on the build, which can be seen on the top right here. Then click on your apps on the top right as well. It will redirect you here. Then once you're done with that, click on Create an App. Then click on From Scratch. Then here you can click put the description. So let's say alert, something like that, and pick a workspace developer app in, so which is this one. Then click on create an app. So once you're done with that, you'll be redirected here. And once you're here, you just need to click on this one, the incoming webhooks. And you just need to enable it. So click on this switch right here. Boom. And now you could scroll down here to the very bottom, then click on Add New Webhooks to Workspace. And boom, just click the channel that we created earlier, which is alerts, or the channel that we want to add this alert to. Click on Allow. And there you go, guys. You have now successfully created it, and now you could use this webhook URL to get alerts. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.